Fitzgerald here, aka HAIRSHIONISTA. Today I have my sister with me, Naomi. She's visiting us from blah blah blah. Oh my god, alright.
Sounds like you're about to like go into it. This is Naomi. She likes Long Beach. Long Beach is across the wall.
Okay, awesome. Alright. Alright, ready?
No!
Still something. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Hi guys, Fallon Fitzgerald. Hi guys, Fallon Fitzgerald here, aka HAIRSHIONISTA. Today I have my sister Naomi with me. She's visiting from Australia, and today I'm going to be doing a balayage on her. So first of all, I'm going to start off by sectioning Naomi's hair. I'm clipping the sides up and out of the way because I'm going to start in the back. So my first section in the back that I'm going to take is about 1.5 inches deep. I'm going to clip the rest of the hair up, and then I'm going to split the section in two. And so the way I do my balayage is I actually tease each section. I take it from about the middle of the hair and push it all the way up, and then use a duckbill clip to keep the hair out of the way. The reason I use the duckbill clip is just to stop that teasing from slowly falling out while I'm painting my balayage on. So now I'm actually going to paint the edges. It's called a V technique. I paint the surface of the hair on each side, and then I take my paddle and saturate the mid-lengths and ends with the bleach. Once I've finished each individual section of balayage, I like to wrap it in foil. I prefer to wrap my balayage pieces in foil just because I feel that the bleach works a little bit better and I get a little bit of extra lift as opposed to when I use balayage sheets. So here you can really see the way I'm painting on my 2-point technique. I'm really just brushing on the surface of the hair of each side of the section that I'm taking, and then I'm using my paddle to really saturate the mid-lengths and ends of the hair with bleach. So now I just continue working my way throughout the head with the same technique.
Yeah, feel my emotion, I'll catch your devotion. Let's play the game my way.
hair reaches a pale yellow color inside the foil, it's time to rinse. I rinsed Naomi's hair and then applied Olaplex number 2 to her hair and detangled it before applying the toner. And then I applied the toner at the shampoo bowl, which was 9p with clear, and I left that on for 10 minutes at the shampoo bowl. You'll see it toning here while she's at the bowl, and then I rinsed it and conditioned it.
Nothing's ever what we expect, but they keep asking where we're going next. All we're chasing is the sunset. Got my mind on you. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter, no. If there's a moment when it's perfect, we'll carve our names as the sun goes down. Hey, as the sun goes down. Hey, as the sun goes down. As the sun goes down. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter